How to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. I am not joking. You can now get voice chat without ID or verification with a new method that nobody has ever spoken about. With this new method, you can get Roblox voice chat within a few minutes. I researched the whole internet trying to find some secret ways to get voice chat, and let's just say one of these actually worked. And just before some of you might comment saying that this does not work, all I am going to say is watch this full video without skipping. If you skip parts of this video, you might miss some important steps. So just sit back and watch the whole video. Also, I would just like to add, I have hidden a few Roblox codes in this video. They would literally flash for a second like this, boom. And nobody has actually redeemed them yet. You could be the first. So if you are going to look to try find these codes, just watch this whole video without skipping. Even if you try to skip, they would go so fast that you would miss it. So you literally just have to watch this whole video. But trust me, it'll be worth it. Nobody has actually redeemed them yet. I also have Robux in my group. And if I actually enter in your username in this bit right here, I could actually give you Robux. So literally just comment down below your Roblox username and make sure you leave a like and sub. Anyway, let's get back into the video. You see, a lot of these methods you see on YouTube just tell you to literally just put your ID in, but I don't have an ID. So I'll be showing you how to get Roblox voice chat, but also how to get Roblox voice chat without an ID. So I am on Roblox right now, and I'm going to explain how exactly I got voice chat without an ID. As you see right here, it does say enable voice chat, and look, I have got it enabled. And I would just like to say, if I haven't already, I have not put an ID in at all. So firstly, you want to make sure you do actually have this disabled. As you see, I know most people probably do have this disabled, but trust me, there will be a few people watching that have this enabled. So firstly, make sure you disable this bit right here. Once you have done that, you want to make sure you're on the Roblox page. And what you want to do from here is literally just scroll down to the bottom bit right here. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom. And you may see something at the bottom. Yes, your language. Now my default language is actually English. Now you may be thinking, what has your language got to do with this? Trust me, keep watching. So what you want to do from here is literally press your language. Now my default language is English. Now yours obviously most likely be English, otherwise I don't know how you're watching this video, unless you actually understand English. But obviously, let's just say if you're Spanish or whatever, it does not matter. So my default is English. So what you want to do is literally go right here, go down to the bottom to this language, and let me explain. Because as soon as you pick this language, it will still be English. And it should say this, unsupported language. While some experiences may use a selected language, it is not fully supported by Roblox.com. Pretty much what this means is that literally Roblox with this language is not fully coded. Like, there are a few glitches with this, and this is what we'll be doing to get Roblox voice chat. Once you have done that, you want to go back to your privacy settings right here, and once you go down, you want to make sure you have this on everyone. Now make sure you do have this on everyone. I know most people probably do, but I would definitely just double check to make sure you do actually have this on everyone. And you want to make sure these are at least friends. Obviously, some people might have it on no one. Just to make sure it's at least friends. You can also have everyone or something, but make sure minimum it's friends. And for this one is of course friends. Okay, so once you have done that, we can get on to the main part. If you are still watching, do not skip, because this is very important. So firstly, you want to go ahead and press this settings icon at the top right corner. But no, you will not be going onto settings. You will be going onto help right here. Once you have done this, what you want to do from here is search up voice chat just like this. Do not worry, I will not just be literally reading this to you. There's a secret way to get voice chat using this. So as you see, first of all, it does say all of this stuff right here, but something at the bottom you will see. Once you start scrolling down to the bottom, you will see this. So just above where it says, was this article helpful? Yes, no. And just above it, it will say this, need more help, contact support here. As you see, it's like a little blue writing right here. You want to go ahead and press this bit right here. So it should load right here, and yes. So firstly, it will ask for your username. Now obviously it should most of the time be filled in your username already, but just in case if it isn't, make sure it's not your display name, because obviously millions of people could have your display name. Make sure it's your actual username. Luckily for me, my actual display name is my actual username, so that is good. But obviously you can go check it if you go onto your profile and it will actually say your username. Next thing, it will actually ask for your name. Now obviously it does say optional, and obviously for this matter it does not really matter what you actually put, because obviously this is for everything, this little support form. But obviously specifically in this type of thing right here, it's not actually to do with your name, it's obviously voice chat, it's something completely different. Now here it asks for your email and to confirm it. Pretty much confirm it means just write it again, but obviously it does not really matter. They don't actually contact you by email. Literally you load it back onto Roblox and you instantly have it. But obviously you can put a random email in. If you search up on Google like a random email, if you don't have one, obviously you might have one already linked onto your account, which I do. But obviously you can go ahead and obviously put your email, but obviously you don't have to really, it does not really matter. Once you have done that, right here it will actually say this. Now this is the main part, this is the literally how you get voice chat. So it will actually say what device are you having the problem on. Now obviously it does not matter really, obviously I am on my PC, but you can do this on your iPhone as well, as literally, I mean, I do not know about Xbox, but maybe, who knows. But yeah, PC, what device are you having the problem on. Now type of help, what is the help? Now obviously you do see a lot of this, like you see chat and age, which most people would think is that, but it's actually not. There's stuff like this, and then there's technical support. What you want to go from here is to go right here, and then it will say right here, specific experience issue. Now this is what you would be putting. So you will need to put in this message right here. So once you have put this, pretty much I've recently enabled my voice chat using my ID, and pretty much you'll be saying like how you used to have it, but for some reason randomly out of nowhere it was randomly disabled. Now sometimes they may say nope, but most of the time they'll literally, I'm not even joking, Roblox have so many lazy employees, they literally just take your word for it. There's a lot of lazy employees, and a lot of them actually just enable it for you. They don't even check at all, and that right there is the success rate. It's quite a high success rate. That's how I got a voice chat. That's how a few of my friends actually got Roblox voice chat, and it's actually working right now.